Okay, lathe. Old, very old lathe. Faceplate. So I drilled the holes for the chuck. The chuck fits perfect. And alignment is perfect. It is an old faceplate, kind of brittle metal. Old cast iron. I guess a lot of holes in it too, so had to go tolerate that. Normally faceplates are easy to machine real quick. This one is a little difficult. However, it fits. And I'm going to add that over there. That's JB Weld. Okay. I'm going to plaster that all over the faceplate. And chuck. And then bolt it. And then I'm going to align it with a test bar here. This is a test bar for accuracy of things. So I put that bar in the chuck and line it up to the tailstock and let it set. And double check first to make it 0, 0, 0. No run out problems. So use a dial indicator, then clamp in and let her set. How to make an accurate lathe on an old faceplate. You can see there's a lot of holes there. So I'm going to back the holes with washers and the bolts. That'll be covered in JB Weld and machine it all down. Then I'm going to replace this motor with, where are we here? This here, along with that fancy looking pulley there, and then add an old motor underneath it. So the height of it will be reduced a bit, several inches, I think. Yeah, it should be. And put an antique motor down below. After all, it's not my main lathe I use. I use the bigger lathe, like this guy here. It works okay, perfect, right? And the other one I built, and the other ones, and other ones, and other ones. This fellow I'm going to be the next one to get running. That's an easy fix. Just need a motor. Already mounted this here. Compound rest. Funny old cataract lathe. Anyway, I'm doing that right now, and then I'm off to other things, so let me put a motor in that thing too. I don't know, we'll see. So having fun, Major. Yeah. And then I got to sort out all these R390s all over the place. And test gear and RF generators. Okay. Woohoo, we're a happening unit. There's a lot to do. There's field coils to add in the mix and phase induction, phase shifting, which I have all that stuff here. It's just a matter of getting it all put on racks and mounted and stuff. Question, who should I demonstrate the Hutchison effect to again? I think Colonel Alexander, George Hathaway, and Bob Greener, maybe, if he's available. It's going to get interesting. Learned a lot more since the last time I ever did this kind of thing. It's all a matter of studying and learning stuff. And following Dr. Harold Wilson's suggestions and a few other scientists, Ken Shoulders. But I have no idea what it's good for. I mean, time dilation is interesting. I'm sure that's been done. I know it's been done at DESY, the red documents classified that Godfrey Hilscher gave to me. Anyway, off to getting this all fixed up. I wish I knew more about this lathe, but nobody knows anything about it, so. Something somebody made maybe a long, long time ago, because it was all grease gooed. The grease was so old it looked like old dirt or something, but it just flakes off, and then you put WD-40 on it, and away it goes. Alright, so off to the races.